interstate, running 30 minutes late, singing Margaritaville and minding my own. Some foreign car driving dude with a road rage attitude pulled up beside me talking on his cell phone. He started yelling at me like I did something wrong. He flipped me the bird and then he was gone. Some beach somewhere, there's a big umbrella casting shade over an empty chair. Palm trees.
What's up, beautiful people who are watching this video? Josh here with my beautiful, amazing girlfriend. It's been a while since I've filmed and posted some videos. We are out here in Cancun, Mexico. We'll be backpacking for about 3 weeks. We're going to pop down to Belize for a little bit. Yesterday was our first day. Super early flight in the morning. We got here in the afternoon, just kind of hung out, chilled, walked along the beach. Right now we are currently returning seashells because this beautiful one over here picked up a few too many last night and she didn't want to throw them away. I know, so cute, right? So we are returning seashells to the beach and we'll be heading to the city center momentarily.
Somewhere there's nowhere to go and you got all day to get there. There's cold margaritas and hot senoritas smiling with long dark hair on some beach.
So we're gonna be gone for 3 weeks and I think we're gonna be doing a video for like each week. If you watched my old videos, I would do like one kind of every day, every couple days for like that day, but this is gonna be like a week's worth of stuff. We have made it to the city center of Cancun. We were in the hotel zone. We splurged a little bit for our first night, but now we're in like the kind of cheaper, more backpacky area. We got some food. We're gonna go do some shopping. It'll be cool. Tell everybody how much you love me.
I hate Josh.
We walked past the bus stop and I made her walk like an extra mile because I wasn't paying attention.
Like my shirt is stuck to my body right now because I am so sweaty. We got McDonald's, so it's fine.
That's how you cheer her up right there. Hola, Del Carmen, yay! Alrighty, come on, baby. We made it to Playa del Carmen. What is she looking at? Oh, earrings. So we made it to the bus stop and it led us out onto this beautiful little street. We'll definitely be exploring this later. Lots of little shops, restaurants, bars, and it happens to be on the way to our hostel, so that's perfect.
¿Cuánto es?
Different prices. 200 pesos, 250.
Look at you learning your Spanish.
Okay, we're gonna put these down. We'll be back.
Gracias, amigo. Vacation mode. I love it. What do you think of my hat, guys?
Oh my gosh, y'all should have seen him talking the guy down. Originally, you tell the story, baby, you got it.
No, baby, go for it.
No, you got it.
So this guy tried to sell me this hat, and I've been wanting one of these hats, and his first price that he told me was 1,800 pesos, which is like, what, 80 bucks. And I got him to give it to me for 20 bucks. So, I don't know, pretty good find there. I feel like it's a little ridiculous. She thinks it looks really, really good.
It was especially sexy watching him talk the guy down.
That's what we're going for here, guys. So we got it covered. We are currently walking through this little kind of downtown area. It seems like the hub for all the shopping, the food, for Playa del Carmen. So we're doing some shopping, hanging out. It's beautiful outside right now. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. And right now we're finding some food. Look at this insanely big calzone. Look at this thing. This thing is huge. You can eat that whole thing, maybe? We got this amazing salmon vodka pasta. We got pictures of sangria. We are loving life over here in Mexico. God, that thing is freaking huge. Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 4 of our wonderful Mexico trip. We, again, like I said earlier, we have been just like super chilling. We've been relaxing. We were working our tails off the past couple weeks, so we are just relaxing. We're having a pool day today. We're gonna go book some tours, and then over the next couple days, we're doing like some ATV stuff. We're doing some snorkeling. We're gonna swim with dolphins. We're gonna do all this crazy things. So stay tuned for more adventurous stuff coming soon. Baby. Cool day. Day 5. First excursion up the trip. Zip lining. We're going to do the longest zip line in Mexico. We're going to do ATV rides. We're going to do cenotes, which is like underwater pools, I guess. And it's going to be super fun. Super excited.
Gonna put the world away for a minute. Pretend I don't live.
12 seconds later.
You broke it! I'm ready!
Sweet love, but I lost it. She got too close.
Beautiful, right? We brought our headlamps, and one thing that we need to use them for, we didn't bring them. We left them at the hostel. Oh, he said it's pretty dark. We'll see if we're able to see in there. Oh yeah, we're not gonna be able to see anything in there.
The worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise.
Oh my gosh! So cool. Oy!
Wrote a note, said be back in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway.
Just go for it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh.
The ocean is my only medication. Wishing my condition ain't ever gonna go away. Cause now I'm knee deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. This champagne shore washing over me. It's a sweet, sweet life, living by the salty sea. One day you could be as lost as me.
What'd you think, baby? It's fun? Is that cool? Alright people, day 6, crazy thunderstorms this morning, so we're just out getting a little food. Look at this, oh my gosh, that looks ridiculous. Pepperoni pizza, of course, for the beautiful lady. We're just out here getting a couple beers, a little local food, just a little life, loving life. I love it, guys. That was weird, but it's good. So this thing is called a marquesitas, but it's like a waffle press kind of thing, and it's just like a super thin waffle, and they have all these like different toppings you can choose from, and they're like different cheeses and different sauces, and chapitas, which apparently is sprinkles, which I freaking love. I'm gonna call them chapitas from now on. And there's just like 6 stands in a row of these marquesitas stuff, so I figured I'd try one. It's not bad. It's kind of weird, but
Hey baby, is any getting in your mouth?
I know. It's hard to eat, okay? No need to call me out.
Having a fashion show. Find some cozy lights,
Oh
baby?
yeah, dude. Got some nice little threads over here. For like $10 all 3 of these are gonna be the same price as what I paid for this one tank top.
Love that.
Always pepperoni pizza. Always pepperoni pizza. Hola! Alright people, that concludes the video for week 1. We hope you all enjoyed. We hope you had a couple laughs. The past couple clips you guys saw, we were in Tulum for a couple days. We were in Chetumal for a little while. We're actually back in Playa del Carmen. We had some crazy, weird things happen over the past couple days, but more on that in the next video. We're headed back to the square right now, booking some tours for the upcoming week. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Adios!